In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the sway bar bushing on your Toyota Tundra. The process is the same for both sides. I used a wire wheel around the bottom of this bolt, and I also sprayed it with penetrant just to knock off all the rust and then lubricate what's going to be going through the set nut. Using a 14mm deep socket and a ratchet, we're going to loosen the bolt. And remove the bolt. There's one nut in the front. Remove the nut using a pry bar. You're going to get under the bracket and pull it down. And remove the bracket. Remove the bushing. I used a pry bar to slightly pry down on the sway bar, just so I can free up a little bit of space to be able to squeeze this out. Install the sway bar bushing onto the sway bar. Slide it into place. Install the nut onto the stud in the back, and then push up on the front and install the front bolt. Then we're going to snug them down. Torque the nut and bolt to 27 foot-pounds. You're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.